Welcome back to Dawny Days. Thank you for coming back. Today we are just going to point out one bonus tip to remember during inflation. We already know to set priorities, right? Number one, get on a budget. Number two, plan your meals. Time to address the number one priority. You're the number one priority. Bonus tip number three. Your mental health is your number one priority. Here are 2 ways to relieve the stress of everyday life. Prevent burnout by taking a walk. Find a nice walking track or walking path to take a nice stroll. Reduce the buildup of stress by taking a stroll and improve your mood. Don't forget to watch your surroundings. Prevent burnout by also writing out your thoughts and feelings. According to a study published by Harvard University, writing about thoughts and feelings that arise from a traumatic or stressful life experience called expressive writing may help some people cope with the emotional fallout of such events. Harvard Medical School. Pen and pencil to paper is good at helping to clear your mind. Your mental health is top priority. Love on yourself by taking some much-needed mental breaks during times like these. Inflation is here, but that doesn't mean that the stress and migraine should be. For more short videos on budgeting and savings tips, please like, comment, subscribe at Dawny Days.